A new day begins in a sun-dappled forest, as golden light streams through the leaves and birds sing their morning songs. Deep inside a cozy wooden den, a little bear cub named Benny stirs. With a big yawn, he opens his eyes. Meet Benny, the little bear with a heart full of adventure. Today, he's feeling especially brave. He stretches his fuzzy arms, grabs his tiny backpack, and gets ready for the day ahead. As he steps out, his friends, a cheerful squirrel and a bouncy rabbit, wave from nearby. Be careful, Benny, they call out. With a happy little hum, Benny sets off, whistling a tune as he walks through the tall green grass. The morning sun warms his fur, and everything seems to glow. Soon, he arrives at a sunny meadow, alive with colorful butterflies dancing in the air. Benny laughs with delight, playfully chasing them through the flowers. What a perfect day! As he continues his journey, he hears a gentle gurgling sound. Just ahead, a sparkling stream glitters in the sunlight. The music softens as Benny stops to look. He thinks to himself, his happy expression turning a little thoughtful. It looks a bit scary. He peers left and right, hoping to find a bridge, but all he sees are smooth, gray stones scattered across the water. For a moment, Benny feels a flutter of fear. But then, he remembers his mother's gentle voice. Like a warm hug in his mind, being brave doesn't mean not being afraid, little one. It means you keep going even when you feel scared. Taking a deep, calming breath, Benny whispers, "Okay, I can do this." He takes his first careful step onto a sturdy rock, then another, his little paws making a soft splash. The camera follows him closely, feeling every wobble and every steady step. From the trees, the birds seem to cheer him on, chirping, "You can do it, Benny. You can do it." With a final confident leap, he jumps to the other side and lands safely on the soft grass. A huge, proud smile spreads across his face. "I did it! I really did it!" Bravery begins with just one small step. On the other side of the stream, Benny finds a beautiful, quiet spot. He spreads out his little picnic blanket and shares a juicy apple with the squirrel, who has scurried over to join him. As they nibble on their snack, they watch the fluffy white clouds drift across the bright blue sky. One cloud looks just like a giant, friendly bear. Benny glances back at the stream he just crossed. "See?" he says to his friend with a newfound confidence. "It wasn't so scary after all." The squirrel nibbles its nut and whispers back, "You were so brave, Benny. B is for brave." And just like that, the words appear in the air. B is for bear, be brave. As the sun begins to set, casting a warm orange glow over the forest, Benny packs up his things and heads for home. The world is quiet now, filled with the gentle sounds of the evening. Back in his cozy den, he yawns a big sleepy yawn and snuggles into his bed. "Good night, world," he murmurs, his heart full and happy. Outside, the moon casts a soft glow, and the stars begin to twinkle one by one. And the lesson of the day settles over the peaceful forest. Be brave, be kind, be you. Thanks for joining Benny on his big day. We hope you feel a little braver too. If you enjoyed our story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more adventures. See you next time.